So,
hello.
We said earlier that, well, Ron said earlier we would make a video of me making the taco salad.
What's
we ain't doing that. So, everything's already...
You switched up on me?
No, I did the taco salad, but they're not watching us make the taco salad.
But
I made the taco, I prepped everything, and you guys are just going to see the finishing product.
But we're going to tell you everything we used.
Yeah. So I'm just doing my romaine lettuce now.
Go wash my hands.
Washing this up. I'm gonna save a couple of these things behind so that we can have tuna boats tomorrow, because we have so much tuna, so I can make some tuna boats for dinner tomorrow. Although we'll have a lot of leftover meat. Well, it's Beyond Meat. We'll have some leftover plant-based meat for another day, but we won't eat this 2 days in a row. We'll maybe skip tomorrow and have it again on Sunday or something like that. So just need to rinse this stuff off.
I can do it. Guess not.
We used to have a salad spinner to get rid of all this excess water, but we got rid of it. We have a small place. We don't have a lot of counter space, or well, we have a lot of cabinet space, but we just don't use it. So I'm just gonna.
It's a lot of other stuff I think we can get rid of too.
I'm just gonna put that in a bowl with a napkin, just to get some of the excess off. I want that one. Oh.
A lot.
Okay. So we'll just let that sit just for a second. We can take the other things out of the thing if you want to show them what we got. You might need a pot holder. If you have a better way to dry this, you can definitely let me know. But other than salad spinner, we know about the salad spinner. Maybe we'll get another one at some point. But, so first we have our black beans with red onion. That's hot. And I just sauteed that for a few minutes in a frying pan. Next we have just whole kernel corn. It's the next thing. And I think we only have one more thing in there, right?
So that corn, is that canned corn?
It is canned corn. I didn't take it off the husk myself.
And what did you do with the beans?
I just told them.
Oh, I wasn't here when you did that.
You were standing right here.
I went to go wash my hands.
No, you were here.
Oh, I guess I zoned out on them.
Beyond Meat. This is the plant-based meat crumbles. Not the crumbles. I'm sorry. It looks like ground beef or whatever when you buy it in the package. We've cooked with it before. You guys have seen us use it before. And then I just dumped it in the frying pan, used some taco seasoning, and sauteed that. So now we're gonna
You told them about that already.
Our tacos bowls together.
She's trying to shortchange y'all.
I'm not. Those are Wild Wonder Gourmet Medley tomatoes from a greenhouse farm cultivated in New York, in upstate New York. Wild Wonders. And they're so pretty. See?
And
all the different colors in there?
That's everything, right?
Yeah. So I'll stick them back under there. And
weird plates my wife got.
They're not plates, they're bowls.
Well, weird bowls my wife got.
So first we're gonna fill our bowl with lettuce. Fill your bowl with lettuce.
She want all that lettuce. Look like one's gonna have more than the other.
Well, that was mine. You were taking it too fast. Do you want more lettuce?
Nope.
Need to get some things here. So I got this recipe from Pinterest, It requires cheese, but
We switched it up.
that's the only thing I didn't do.
Also the chips. It required nacho cheese. We went with Pacquiao. Or
Well,
however you say that.
it said you can do tortillas, nachos.
I like
The
these.
girl suggested Doritos.
I like
so
these.
it just all depends on
They're
what
pretty
you
good.
want. You can. This is pretty easy. You can do it however you want. Is that enough or too
That's
much?
fine.
Okay. And then you just start building it.
Rinse that out. Doing a light din tonight. And that's it, right?
No.
Oh, you gotta do the chips. So you're gonna crumble them in there or just put them in there?
It's up to you. However you want yours.
Yeah. I'm gonna see how you do it. You're gonna finish yours up and they're gonna see the finishing product from yours. Probably won't do chips.
You won't do the chips?
Yeah.
Well, that's how it's supposed to be.
I break rules. I don't have to do it the way they said it.
Alright. True, true. Lastly, the avocado.
I don't want no avocado.
I'll save the avocado for tomorrow then.
So what?
For another day.
But what was you gonna do so they'll know?
I was just gonna open this avocado, take a couple slices for each one.
So why don't you do it for yours?
Well, I also put cilantro avocado dressing.
Ah.
So the recipe called for making your own dressing, but I didn't feel like buying all that stuff. So we're just gonna use this one. Oh, I should have shaken it up a little bit.
I probably
So
won't
it's
use
easier
that.
to
I
choose.
probably won't use that dressing.
Yes, you are.
I don't like that dressing.
You don't know.
I only like one dressing. And that's just, you know.
I wish I had a different top so I can drizzle it nicely and neatly, so it looks all professional and pretty.
That's
But-
fine. That's fine.
I guess you can show that to them.
Well,
That looks
put-
so good.
Put your chips in there. How you gonna do it? You gonna crumble it?
I'm going to sit my chips in there on the side, I think. But they might get crumbled as I go, you know?
I do look good. I'll show you guys that in a minute.
I mean, I don't know how to dress a plate, but
We do the best I can. We all like to eat something, right? We all like to eat different things. We don't like eating the same thing every day.
and we've never had taco salad before. These are good.
I know, that's why I wanted them. I didn't want the Doritos.
So you want yours crumbled?
Nah, I don't want any. I already had some chips. That's why I don't want any chips.
Oh, okay.
I had to sneak a couple, y'all. I like those chips.
Yeah.
You ready for them to see it?
Sure.
There
Super easy.
That
Can I see my foot?
That look. Show it to him.
No.
Damn feet. A foot.
Does that look good?
That looks really. And this is mine, y'all. This is hers. I'll probably dice it up. I'll do a little like she did because that does look really, really good, y'all. Right? That looks really good, and I got a good shot of that. All right.
All right.
And then that's mine. I'll do a little bit.
I gotta take a picture for Instagram.
Obviously, let me show y'all so she can do her little. See that? I know y'all saw that in the frame. She took a picture. She do that all the time.
Yeah.
And you showed them how to do step by,
Yeah, all I did was open a can of corn. You can do corn, you can shook some corn if you want to off the cob, doesn't matter. Like I said, I cooked this with just some taco seasoning on top of the stove until it was ready. Same thing with the beans. I just added some diced red pepper. I cooked it on the stove with a little bit of salt and pepper and washed it. Diced the tomatoes, put it together. And then I just use this dressing, cilantro avocado dressing by Boathouse.
And what's the name of it, truly? The name of this?
Just a taco salad.
No, what's the name of it on, what was it on Pinterest?
Pinterest.
And what was it
Taco
called?
salad.
Okay. Oh, we just dropped the bag over there. We got ghosts, y'all. Alright, so we out. We about to eat our dinner.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good Friday night, and we out.
Are they looking at me or you?
You.
Oh, bye.
Peace.